Hey guys, I want to show you my new release, my new cash envelopes that I'm going to be adding to my Etsy shop. I wanted something fun, so I decided to create some actual cash envelopes. So this is the $50 bill. They come in a set of 5. I didn't do the $100 bill, so I'm just going to see how this goes, see how these sell, and then I'll go from there. So this is the $50 bill. I just decided to do different colors. Thought it'd make it fun. This is the $10 bill. $1. Good old George Washington. $5. And the $20 bill. So I did different colors. They come in a set of 5. They'll be in my Etsy shop. So check the link below if you're interested. And if you know someone who may be interested, go ahead and share this video because they may be interested. They might like these different colors. So I just wanted to try something new. I didn't want to do them all the same color. I just want to try this style out first and see how well these sell. And then if they sell pretty good, I'll do it again. But I only have 10 sets. So if you're interested, go ahead and check my Etsy link in the description box. So thank you in advance for your support. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Mrs Vee here today, and I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and some sinking funds and doing my savings challenge. Before we get started, I want to know what you're drinking on. I'm drinking some water. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be cash stuffing $459. So the first thing I always do, of course, like everybody, take my cash envelopes out. And I did my first video tracking my spending. And if you want to see that video, I'll have it linked in the description box. And so this is the result of me tracking my spending. I did have some money left in all of my envelopes. So I'm going to take this money out and roll it over. So for personal hygiene and household, I budget $15 a week, and I had $13 left. So we're gonna put that over to the side. And for groceries and dining out, I budget $65 a week, and I had $33 left. Yay! And for spending, I give myself $100 a week, and I had $35 left. Mrs Vee doing good over here. I'm trying to reach some goals. And for Dollar Tree, my obsession, I budget $20 a week, and I had $9 left. So yeah, so stay tuned to see what I do with all this rollover money. I do not let it accumulate in my envelopes because I wanna I'm trying to pretty much just train myself to spend less. So I don't want it to accumulate, but I do put it in some sinking funds. So we're gonna go ahead and restuff those envelopes. So like I said, Dollar Tree is $20, so I'm gonna give myself 10 ones and a $10 bill. 10 and 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me, 9, 10. Got my $20 for this week for Dollar Tree. And groceries and dining out, I give myself a 5 $1 bill, 2 10s, and 2 20s. So 2 20s. Ooh, look at this $10 bill. Ooh. Got 2 of them. Look like it done been through something. So 2 20s. The 20s look good. 2 10s, 20, 40, 50, 60, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, the crafty budgeter will be she gonna be proud of me. I picked up 5 $1 bills all at once. Yay! So that's $65. And personal and household gets $15 also. That's 1 10 and 1 5. Oh, I done put Oh, I thought I did the wrong envelope. Okay. And I normally give myself $100 for spending. I'm still gonna give myself $100, but I have $45 on my Cash App, and I have a $10 Venmo card on the way, so that's $55. So I'm only actually gonna stuff $45 in cash. And if you're not familiar with Venmo, it's just like Cash App, a way to send money back and forth to your families and friends. And they have like a promotion if you you know, once you set it up, you get like $5. So I'll have my link to Venmo if you're interested in the description box. So I'm gonna do $45, and I'm gonna do 5 ones and 4 $10 bills. So there's all kind of creative ways to stay on budget. So since I have that money already, and I do a lot of online shopping, so to keep me from having to put cash back in the bank, I'm just going to utilize that as my spending money. So 55 online, and I'm do 45 cash. So 1, 2, ooh, okay. The Crafted Budgeter, I picked up 5 just in case you're watching the video. So that's $45. So those are my cash envelopes. They all stuffed for the week. And so we're going to see how well I do this week. But I'm not depriving myself. If it's something I want, I get it. But, you know, I'm just disciplined to not just, you know, just be out here crazy shopping, because I got goals I'm trying to reach. So we're going to empty my change. So this is my little change container that I picked up from Amazon. Shout out to Hot Mess Budget. I got the idea off her channel, and I'll have her channel linked in the description box. So check out my Amazon store for any of the items that I use in my video. So we're gonna take the change out. So I'm gonna add the change. I like the coin jars that everybody's using as counting the coin, but that won't benefit me because I still have to roll it up. So I'd rather just go ahead and do it this way. So I thought this was a better fit for me. When I saw it on her channel, I went ahead and clicked her link and ordered it through her Amazon link. So if you're interested, click my link and order through my Amazon link. So that's how we support each other over here on in this community. I love this community. Everybody's so helpful and positive. Of course, you know, you might get a troll or two, but that's just life. So I got my coins. So we're gonna put that back over there. So now, what we're gonna do is, I got my little checklist over here for everything I wanna do in the video. So now we're gonna distribute this rollover money into my medical, granddaughter's driving lessons, and the Mrs Vee envelope. Sinking funds. Well, sinking funds. So we're gonna separate this first. Let me separate it because all the 5s going to my $5 challenge. So we're gonna do the 10s. Oh, let me count all the rollover money just so I can see how well I did. So he had a total of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. That was pretty good because the total of my cash envelopes is $200. So subtract 90, that's 110 I spent. Okay, not too bad. So we're gonna go ahead and distribute this money. I'm gonna distribute it evenly between the 3 sinking funds. So we got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 40? Nope. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 70 divided by 3. So we gonna that's gonna be about 22. So each one gonna get like 20 something dollars. So $2. $2. One person get more. That's okay. So each one of these funds gonna get $24. Well, one fund gonna get 24 and the other 2 gonna get 23. I think that's great. Great way to stuff your sinking funds, especially when you got other goes. So the first one gonna be Mrs Vee. That's my personal. That's in my personal binder. This is a rollover for me. To build up. So I know I have $90 in the bank already, so I'm going to go ahead and give myself $23 more. So that's $90, $100, $110, $113 for anything big that I may want to purchase. I know I want me a new waist trainer. I should have put it in this fitness, but that's alright. If I need it, I take it out of Mrs Vee. But yeah, that's it for that binder. Then driving lessons and medical, they are in my high priority binder. So let me go back and update that tracker. So I added 23. $23. What did I say it was? That's $113. Made a deposit. Yeah. So that's it for that one. And so I'm gonna do medical because I'm getting ready to. I gotta get some dental work done at the end of this month. So that's why I'm gonna put some in medical. And I presently have $68 in medical. Let me get this pen right here. And I'm going to add 23. So 68 plus 23 is $91. I need a total of like $300. So I gotta get on it. So that goes in there. So that's medical. And the last high priority sinking fund that we're gonna stuff is driving lessons. My granddaughter driving lessons. And she's gonna get $24. She presently has $70 in the bank. I need a total of $260. Her first lesson is July 15th. So I don't have to, I just pay per lesson, so I got enough for the first lesson. So 70 plus 24, that's gonna be $94. $94. I put it on the wrong thing. $94 is in here. So that's it for that. So we got my rollover money distributed. So what's next? We're gonna go ahead and stuff my vacation binder. This is my vacation binder right here. Here we go on a trip. The end of August. So I'm trying to see. Okay. So for housing or where we're gonna stay, I'm gonna put $200 in. We already had like $500 in the bank, I think. Then for food, $25. Gas, $25. Activities, $25. I think I'm missing some money. Something just ain't right. And miscellaneous is $25. And I'm only left with $4. I'm missing $30. Because I pulled. I missed some money, guys. Okay, so that's it for the vacation binder. So I just did the high priorities vacation. Well, I did some of the personal I gotta find my $30 I'm missing. Hold on, I'll be back. Well, I couldn't find my money. I pulled a 14 for this week. So I got $4. I'm missing $10, not $30. So I don't know what happened to the 10. I'm gonna have to take these 2 5s from the $5 challenge so I can put it in the 52-week challenge. I'm $10 short. Maybe I'll find it after the video. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and add this. I have $2.59. I'm gonna add 14 to that. Get my little calculator here. 259 plus 14, 273. That's bothering me, y'all. Okay, so that's $14 in the 52-week challenge, and now we're gonna do the $5 challenge. So we have those 2 5s left, and I have some more in my wallet. I have 3 more, so I got a total of $25 to add to the $5 challenge this week. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a mystery. Now you know I'm gonna go back through my binder and see if somebody got an extra $10. So I'm gonna add 25 to this 230 that's in the bank. That's gonna make it 255. So yeah, so that's gonna conclude this video. This is the first paycheck in July. We actually get 5 checks this month, so hopefully I can stuff a little extra money. And I plan to work a little overtime, not much. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to follow my journey, tap that subscribe button at the bottom of the video. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want.